everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to a brand new video. I really hope you're all doing well and you're all having a great day. So today's video I'm bringing you a Cherryz haul. Now Cherryz is an online app that you can actually go on and purchase items that you will buy from like Poundland, B&M, Home Bargains, all those sort of budget stores. So you can get cleaning products, food items, items for your pets, items for your car, you name it, Cherryz have got it. And the best part is you order and it's delivered right to your door. So for those of you that are unable to get out because of this whole lockdown situation, Cherryz could be the app for you. I've also got a discount code for you which gives you 20% off your first order online using the Cherryz app, and which is Amanda20. So if you put that in at the checkout, you get 20% off your first order using the Cherryz app. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I've got from Cherryz. Now I can't actually remember fully. Okay, so I've got my box of goodies here from Cherryz. This box arrived a couple of days ago. I have to say I placed my order and within 2 days this box was on my doorstep, delivered to me within 2 days. That's another great thing about Cherryz. You don't have to wait long for your order. You can get all your essentials using the app and it's absolutely amazing. Okay, so let's see what I've got in the box. Okay, so I've got the tissue paper with the cherries on it. That's definitely going to be repurposed. Okay, so first up I'm going to show you these storage containers. Okay, this one is a larger one, so that holds 800ml, and this one holds I think 500ml. So this one was £1.50 and this one was £2, okay, on the app. And what I like about these, they seal really well, really tight, you know, and they are like glass but they're acrylic, you know, and BPA free of course. So I've got 2 of those, 2 different sizes. Okay, so next up I've got one of these splatter guards. This came in at £1, I think it was either £1 or £1.50. I also ordered some utensils for baking with. So I've got this silicone spoon, silicone brush and this whisk. The brush and the whisk are £1.50 each and the spoon is £2. Don't know why the spoon is £2, but the spoon is £2. So I've got those. Now this was a bit funny because I ordered some of the scoops, you know, the pet scoops. So I thought I can use them in the garden, but these came instead, which is fine, you know. They are 2 cat bowls. Now we don't have a cat, my neighbours have got a cat. We're thinking about getting a cat. We're kind of like 50-50 at the moment about getting a cat. If we do get one, these will definitely come in handy of course. If not, these will go to the neighbour. So you get 2 cat bowls and these come in at £1 for the pair. Okay, so I'm going to show you some food items now. I've got to say, some of the chocolates have already been consumed. So we had the Cherryz orange chocolate in the bar. That's already been consumed, I'm afraid, so I can't show you that, you know. But you can get it on Cherryz and it's normally £1. I'll insert a picture up here of what it looks like. I'm sure you know what Cherryz orange chocolate bar looks like. So that's already gone. So that was I think £1 or £1.10. I also got some of these biscuits. These biscuits are so delicious. They're the Galleon biscuits, which are sugar-free. And these are the cinnamon crisp ones. They're absolutely delicious. Now they are supposed to be sugar free, but these are actually coated in so much sugar. They're sprinkled with sugar, so I don't think these ones are actually sugar free, but they're actually high in fibre. So you get 2 packs of these for £1.20. Now we didn't actually see this one in the box. If we had seen it, it probably would have been gone. I wouldn't be able to show it to you on the haul. So this is the Ritter Sport chocolate in the coconut. Absolutely delicious this is. So we got that, and this was £1. Okay, so I thought I'd try these. These are sugar-free lemon and cream sweets. They did actually have a whole range of sugar-free products on the app, so you can go ahead and have a look at those. This range is called a Diabello, and they had a whole selection of these on the apps. Absolutely amazing. And this was just £1 as well. Yes, I did actually order some cleaning products as well, but I didn't go completely mad with the cleaning products. I've got this, which is the white vinegar spray. This came in at £1.10 and it's the large bottle, which is a 750ml bottle. So I've got that. I also got the Nutridol gel air freshener. This is in the scent Fresh Pink, which I absolutely love. This was £1.25. I also picked up 2 of the Nutridol carpet deodorizers as well. This stuff is absolutely amazing. It works very similar to Shake and Vac. I just prefer this one. I think the granules on this is quite finer than the Shake and Vac ones. And I do like that scent, the Fresh Pink. So I've got 2 of those for £1.25 each. I also ordered this washing machine cleaner. This dissolves dirt and grime and keeps the washing machine smelling fresh as well. So I've got this. I know you can put Sephora in the washing machine to get that same kind of feel. but I just thought I'd get this to do like a deep spring clean of the washing machine with. Then I saw this on the website and I thought I'd give this a try. This is the Minky glass and window cleaner. So we've got like a large patio door in our that goes through the living room into the garden, and that gets lots of sticky fingers on. You know, I'm forever cleaning it, I'm forever wiping it. Yeah, so anything that's going to make my life easier to clean that patio door, I had to get it. It's chemical free cleaning, no smears or no streaks, so this should be a complete game changer. And this came in at £3. Then I got the Yankee Candle wax melt. This is in the scent Wedding, and it smells really like refreshing, really like, you know, like a bouquet of flowers. Did have some other ones on there, some Yankee candles. They have a whole range of other candles on there as well. So I got this one, and this was £1.10. Okay, so I also got this baking sheet. So you get 16 baking sheets, ready cut baking sheets. So I thought these will come in handy because I'm always like, you know, you cut the baking sheet, the roll goes everywhere. So I thought I'd just get these just to make life a little bit easier. I'm going to be doing a little bit of baking over Easter. So I've got this, and this was £1 as well for 16 sheets of baking paper. I was so happy to see that these were back in stock on Cherryz. This hand cream is absolutely amazing. It's the Bio Glow range, and this is in the scent Olive Oil. It keeps your hands so soft and moist. Absolutely amazing. So these came in at £1.20 each, and I got 2 of them. Okay, so my last item, if you follow me on Instagram, you probably know what this last item is going to be. I've been posting up my coffees and my hot drinks for the morning, you know, and I've had them in this mug. Now these mugs are absolutely amazing. They're a cappuccino mug. They sell them individually. I think they're £1.50 each, or you can get a pack of 4 for £5, and that's what I got. Absolutely gorgeous, as you can see. They're glass mugs. Stunning, absolutely stunning. Okay, so that was my last item. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you to Cherryz for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love the Cherryz app. I can be on the app for the longest while looking through all the categories because there's so much to look through. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and hit the notification bell to make sure you don't miss out on any of my videos. If you're thinking about placing an order on Cherryz and it's your first order, do use my discount code, which is Amanda20. That gives you 20% off your first order using the Cherryz app. So download the app and get ordering, guys. It's absolutely amazing. They've got so much on there. You'll be on there like looking through all the categories. You know, new items always come into stock. So it's just absolutely amazing. So my favorite item from this haul has to be these mugs. They're absolutely gorgeous. On the app you can find so many amazing items. So thanks so much for watching. Take care. Keep well, and I shall see you on my next video. Bye.